Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today is also for developers. Today's video is also for developers, but anyone can try it out. Yeah, obviously you can have fun with those websites. So how many times it happened with us whenever we are searching for icons, we get a lots of icon, right? Or we get a lots of resources for icons, like what Iconify, Icons 8, and whatnot. Like most awesome, font awesome, and all. Okay, but when it comes to animated icons, there is literally shortage when we are developing some kind of website or what. So today I'm gonna show you some of the great cool resources, actually for website, for your icons, like animated icons. So let's get started in the video and jump to the websites. Okay, so let's dive it. So our first animated icon library is Iodicon. Yeah, a bit strange name, but yeah, but see, okay. So they are providing, what they are saying is that they are providing 1700, like 1700 numbers of animated icons, but all of them are not free. Obviously, you can see the pricing section here, and they are providing 180 icons for free, and everything else is for pro stack. But yeah, 180 for icons is enough, fair enough. Like you just see those animation in the icons, great, right? So yeah, they have a lot of icons. So yeah, you can choose any one of them and choose from it, and you can obviously edit those icons and do a lot of stuff and avail it in any format: HTML, JSON, GIF, AEP, that is After Effects, PNG, EPS, SVG, anything. So yeah, great icons. And there are animation state also. So yeah, great, right? Loop animations, morphs, morph two ways. Actually great. So that's it. That's it for iod icon. So let's go to next. Next is Loaf. Getloaf.io. Loaf. So obviously they also have animated icons, and those are specifically animated SVG icons, nothing else but animated SVG icons. And same, they have a pricing plan here also, because obviously those are not free, because those animations, anything, creating anything takes time, takes effort, so you should pay, obviously. So here are those icons. So here it is, $0 for 74 icons, and everything else is paid, obviously. And you can use Windows or Mac OS. You can download them and it's ready to go. That's it. So this is loaf icons, and obviously loaf icons will give you actually application like what icons 8 application, icons 8 Pichon application, icons 8 Pichon. So they will give you something like them, that, and you have to use it. So that's about loaf. Now go to the next. So animaticons. Okay, animaticons. So they are animaticons, they are animated GIF. So you can see the different formats they are availing. Like first website, animated first website, Lodicons, they have tons of formats. In Loaf, they have only SVG. In here, you have only GIF icons. But yeah, when you have something, why not? Like you can download those. Here are those icons, and here is one of the free, and here is another of the free. Or rest of them are paid, obviously. So yeah, that's about animaticons. And next, let's go to the next website and the last website, that is use animations. So those are the only way, this is the only website that gives everything free, like free animated icons. And they have really great states, like uh o- one uh animation, four different types of animation for one. Why I'm stuttering. whatever. Four different type of animation for one icon, one single icon, and four different type of same icon. Like here is alert as well, here is alert again. So yeah, great, great. See, wow, it's really hamburger menu. Great, great, great. Isn't that? Yeah. And there are lots of. So if you are searching for something free, this is great. Obviously, you can use it. And that's basically it. That's basically wrap up our whole video for website. Obviously, they will be linked down in the description so you can visit them. And if you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this or any other great resources, web apps, app, app, web apps, applications, both are same thing, right? Okay, app, mobile apps, anything like resources, web, API, anything. Please let me know about all of them in the comments so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.